In this demonstration, we'll walk through a simple print workflow using PaperCut and a payment-enabled print release station. This process is commonly used in environments like libraries, universities, and public printing locations, where users need a secure way to submit and pay for print jobs. The process starts just like any normal print job. The user opens their document and selects Print from the application. Instead of printing immediately, the job is sent to the PaperCut system, where it is securely held in a queue. This ensures documents are not printed until the user is ready to release them at the device. After sending the job, the user is prompted to create or enter a print code. This code is used to identify the print job at the release station. It acts as a simple way for the system to match the user with their document without requiring a login or account. Once the code is entered, the print job is stored in the queue, and the system calculates the cost of the print job. Next, the user walks to the print release station, located near the printer. At the release station, they enter the same print code they created earlier. The system retrieves their job and displays it on the screen. If payment is required, the user can add funds using the available payment options. Depending on the configuration, this may include coins, bills, credit cards, or stored value accounts. As payment is added, the system updates the available balance in real time. Once the balance is sufficient to cover the cost of the print job, the user simply selects the print option. The job is released from the queue and sent to the printer. After the job prints, the release station resets and returns to the main screen, ready for the next user. This workflow ensures that documents remain secure, printing is controlled, and payment is collected before the job is released.